Consider our Boolean algebra being a standard true or false model, which we've looked at previously. And suppose we have a function of two variables, x, y, being equal to xy plus the complement of x by y. And here we imply our AND operation. So for example, xy is equivalent to x and y. So remember that the function is going to map a pair from the Cartesian product of B to a single element in the set. Now, as we've shown before, Boolean expressions can be equivalent, such as with De Morgan's laws, the associative and distributive law. And if we construct the truth table of this Boolean expression, so starting from x and y being the inputs, and the next simplest element being the complement of x, and then we have x and y, and the complement of x and y. And then finally, our entire expression. So the complement of x is 1, 1, 0, 0, and x and y is 0 and 0, which is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 1 is 1. And the complement of x and y, so 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0, and 0 and 1 is 0. And then we have x and y, or not x and y. So 0 or 0 is 0, 0 or 1 is 1, 0 or 0 is 0, and 1 or 0 is 1. So we can see that y and this expression are equivalent, because they induce a function that gives the same output. So this expression induces this function, and the expression y induces this function. So effectively, given two Boolean expressions, we can construct a truth table for each one, and then compare their last columns, and if their columns are equal, then these expressions are equivalent.